Hello, P4 students. Welcome to Science 4. And again, this is Miss Claire. We are now on chapter 2, and it talks about diseases. Okay, are you familiar with the different diseases? Okay, children, in this chapter, you will learn 3 lessons. We have lesson 1, infectious diseases, lesson 2, medicines, and lesson 3, vaccines. But in our video, this video, we will talk only about lesson 1, infectious diseases. So what are infectious diseases? Okay, so the learning objective for this lesson is to learn that both plants and animals can get infectious diseases. So not only humans, okay? Plants and animals also can get infectious diseases. Okay, for our chapter trigger, we have learned last time that we need to be healthy, right? So I have here some questions. You need to find the answers for this and share your answers among your friends during our class. Number 1, you have to list some things you need to be healthy. 2, what happens when you are ill? And 3, who can help you feel better when you are ill? Okay, try to find the answers for these questions. Okay, for our thinking cap before, my friend is ill. If I play with him, will I fall ill too? What do you think? Okay, share your answers during our class, okay? Okay, what is a disease? A disease is a condition which your body or part of your body is not able to function properly. So take note, what is or what are infectious disease? They are diseases that can be spread from one person to another. Examples are the usual flu or the common cold. So they are easy to spread, right? So they are infectious diseases. Okay, infectious diseases are caused by germs. These germs are small living things that enter our body and make us ill. These germs can be passed on from one person to another and spreading the disease. So take a look this picture before. This one, these are germs. We cannot see germs with our naked eye. We need a microscope because we can only see germs under a microscope. On the other hand, a non-infectious disease is not caused by germs and it will not spread from one person to another. Okay, do you know some non-infectious disease? You can share that during our class. Now, how does this infectious diseases is spread from one person to another? First is, it can be passed by saliva from the mouth. So our mouth, we have saliva when we are eating, right? It will spread from one person to another by if you are using or sharing your spoon or fork to other people. So it's not advisable to use or share your spoon to other people, children. You have your own pair of spoon and fork when you are eating, okay? Another way is by coughs or sneezes. So if a person has cough or flu, they should wear a mask to cover their mouth when they cough and sneeze because the germs, it will just easily spread in the air and of course it will spread to other people. And another way is by touching. So germs can also be spread by touching. So always remember, children, to use a hand sanitizer or always wash your hands regularly with water and soap. So to prevent the spreading of germs, because we cannot stop if we can really touch other people, right? Example, shaking hands. So better after that, always wash your hands regularly to stop the spread of germs. Okay, now, can animals get infectious diseases? Yes, they can also get. These diseases can spread from one animal to another. And some of these diseases also may spread from animals to humans, to us. Now, do you know some famous or some infectious diseases that will spread to humans that come from animals? So if you know, you can share that to me or to your friends in our class. We have also what we call outbreak. So what is an outbreak? When the disease spreads rapidly affecting a lot of people. Okay, so that is an outbreak. Have you heard the word pandemic? Okay, so we will discuss more about outbreak pandemic during our class. Okay, next we have this one. Okay, signs at work. A veterinarian or an animal doctor. A veterinarian, or in a simple word, we call her or him a vet. They are doctors who treat sick and injured animals. Some vets treat small animals that may have at home, such as birds, your cats, your dogs. Okay. Others treat the farm animals or animals in the zoo. Vets use different medicines on animals and provide them with special care. Who wants to be a veterinarian someday? So maybe if you love or you like animals, you can be a vet someday. Next, how about plants? Though plants can get infectious diseases too? Yes, of course. These infectious diseases can spread from one plant to another. What are the effects if the plant have infectious disease? They have their leaves will lost. They have lost leaves, droop, or they even die. Okay. Examples of infectious diseases among plants are leaf rust, stem rust, white mold, powdery mildew, galls, and ink spot. So if you can see these plants that have this one, so they have infectious diseases. Okay, children. Okay, that's all about lesson 1 for chapter 2, diseases, about infectious diseases. I will discuss more about this lesson during our class. Thank you for watching P4, and always remember to stay safe and healthy. God bless everyone and enjoy the rest of the day.